Yo, yo, yo. Good morning. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Smash the like, guys. Let's get into it. Let us get into it. Lots of information we need to review so everybody can stay calm. You know, the sea is dead red. It's all bloody red. You can't find a single green. But we need to stay calm in these times because I have some information that will relieve all that stress. Okay? Because you need to understand this cycle, we go up and down. And, we got to go down before we blast the fuck out of town, guys. Okay? So, I got a couple things I want to show you that we kind of reviewed last time. Right? I just want to show you this MACD looks fucking incredible, okay? Look at the MACD. That is the middle portion right here. Okay? Now let me collapse this. Boom. And we'll look at Bitcoin right here. This is the monthly chart. All right? Monthly chart. Let me move this over here. All right, guys. Smash the like. Here's the monthly chart. Hold on, let me fix my mic too. Mic check. All right, here we go. My guy was good. All right. Good morning. So, we must not trip. Still got the short running on XRP here. Still got the short running from 263. We're at 206 right now on XRP. Yeah, I'm an XRP shorter. Oh yeah. Dude, I won my second margin trade yesterday. Shorted XRP at 249, got out at 214 with 60x leverage. Smash the fucking like, dude. Great job. Great job. I'm still holding mine from 263. We're down to 206. We're kind of down at the bottom of the channel right here. I suspect us to have some kind of bounce here. But how big of a bounce? Because all we've done is ride the blue channel. I see us making another wave like this, fulfilling this huge wedge kind of a flag thing, or If we give out here, if we lose this bottom, we could come down to this area because there's this big, volume of liquidity right here. You see this bar? There's a fucking good chance that the trend throughout the market is down and that we lose this support area here if we don't bounce and make another wave back to the top right here maybe, and then come down, and at the edge here, instead of popping up, we lose it. Okay, so if we do come up the 618 or the 786, we'd be looking for these areas, this whole box right here. Would be where you want to put a short, because the trend is down for a couple days, maybe until maybe tomorrow we get a little pump to the upside. Wednesdays usually pump. Bruh, it's cause your bands, dude. Bollinger Bands on the phone is OP. Nice, bro. Hey, you learning. You better be streaming all night like the other night. I'm at work. I'll catch you in the evening. All right, well, that, shit, maybe. We'll see. But we have some useful information here today. Today's video is not about celebrating wins. It's about providing reassurance and self-confidence in one's conviction in cryptocurrency. Because we've done something very, very, very interesting here. We're showing lots of bullish activity on the monthly charts. Okay, so that means for the next couple months, okay? Not talking about now. Talking about the next couple months, guys. We're going to be in for it, okay? We're going to be kicking into a very bullish phase, okay? Because we are just starting to enter the zone. And when we enter the zone, right, on the stochastic RSI on the bottom, you can see this huge, boom, boom, this stochastic RSI. These tops right here, right, represent Bitcoin pumps, right? As we compare, the stochastic will raise it up a level, we'll close that one, boom, and now we have these two together. So these represent the market tops. I'm sorry. All right, we'll focus on this one right here. The market tops, right? You can see as we enter this phase of the market from the bottom to the end represents the lifespan of that bull run, okay? Right? So right here, it's showing us the lifespan, how long it lasts, okay? And I already told you in my other videos, the 550-day theory. These runs, the bull run, after the day of the Bitcoin halving price, lasts for 550 days. We did the math, okay? We're going to do it again right now. All right, 550 days right? 1 year after the halving, you have 550 days of bliss, right? And then it's over. Okay? Same here, 550 days and it's over, right? Now, right now, we have not done our 550 days, okay? Right here, this green line represents that 550 day endpoint, okay? After this point, the market goes down, and pretty much at this point, 2026, the year after next year, is when we start buying crypto again, okay? At these green circle points, all right? And it's pretty much when the blue line flips, right? When the blue line flips the yellow line on the monthly is when you want to buy crypto. So if you want to buy crypto, right, timing is essential. You want to come into crypto on these flippings because you'll always be in the positive, okay? Every single time. It never fails. Even this year, the Bitcoin halving, not the Bitcoin halving, this time of buying, the RSI, the stochastic never lies, okay? So, what does that mean? What phase are we in right now? So from that time, right, we are coming into the biggest phase of the bull run, guys. And that's when initially we tap into this upper zone right here, right, for the second time right here, is when we see that initial big boost. And right now, we're about to enter that zone, right? So 2025, guys, from here on out till 2025, mid 2025, I believe we're going to experience a very nice bull run, dude. Okay, because history always repeats itself. Alrighty, and let's go to a different chart so we can see it a little more clear. Right. All right. Nothing on this chart. Beautiful. All right. So here is. Now we don't have the information over here. Right. But you can see right here, we're about to make our second leg up. All right. So during this second leg up, we have humongous runs. Okay. Now on this one, this would kind of be your second leg up, right? This dip right here. The initial dip and then the second leg up, the initial dip, and then the second leg up, okay? This one's kind of a different formation. It's the Bart Simpson, right? This one's the Batman. Right here is kind of like the Batman we're doing. Now, are we going to curve up, right, and reach this and do this? That, I don't know. But we have lots of time left, right? There's a lot of time left, and you got to remember these are monthly, right? And right now, this is going in the right way. This stochastic has bounced, right? When it crosses over on the monthly bullish like this, after the Bitcoin halving during the bull run, usually, guys, we come up on the second wave to the upside and we make our hump to indicate the final phase of the bull run, right? And then to initiate the exit of the bull run as well. Okay. Now, if you look at the timelines of each of these 550-day, bull runs or whatever, they equal the same length. Okay. Every single one equals the same length. And we're about to hit the fourth and final phase of our bull run, okay? Because when we started this, where did it start? 15K. Look at that, right at the bottom where they turn, right? Right at the bottom where they turn, guys, is the best time to buy crypto. Look, right at the bottom of these RSIs. Look at these prices. Now you see where this is Bitcoin in 2019 when it dropped to $3,000, guys. Right when the RSI over here crossed over the blue line. The blue line crosses over. That is the best time. It represents the bottom of the market, right? And then when we get over here to the top, right, we created that first hump to start that bull run, and then that second hump. When that second hump starts, that's when we finish the final phase of the bull run, right? And when it came down, the RSI fell all the way to the bottom, created one more hump to hit the all-time high, and then finally exits the market, right? Leaving the zone. And then we have the Shemitah kick in for one whole year, right? One whole year the market goes down, FTX. And then we have on the RSI again, when's the best time to buy crypto? Every 4 years, right? When you come to the bottom of the market and that blue line crosses over, right? Even if you're late and you find that it's already jumped over, it's all right, because you need to understand you're at the very bottom of the cycle. That's why the cycles are so key to indicate to you whether it's buy time or not, because it doesn't matter what the news is. It doesn't matter what the psychological low or the high is. What matters is the charts. You have to run with the charts, because the charts are historical. They're not here for popularity. They're not here to steer you in a certain direction. It's just historical mapping. So the charts are neither your friend nor your enemy. They're just universal. And that's what we go with. We don't go with news, emotions. We go with this because this is the truth seeker. So when this flips over on the monthly, right? That's when you know that this is the market bottom, guys. And when did that happen? Boom. December 1st, 2022 was the market bottom, right? Because you need to see this, not this, right? Where it crosses over like that. No, we need to see the spring action. Okay? That's when you know it's the market bottom. And then we raise up into the section, the mid body of the RSI. And there's your bull run right there. But that's the first phase of it. There's the correction in the stochastic where we come down a wave. Then that second wave is the initial okay? So we're about to do that right now. We're just starting that. Now, when I look at the MACD, hey yo, MACD, it's the Mac. The MACD is looking crazy right now. The MACD is looking crazy. Now, I don't know how far, but you know, this MACD is literally gotten wider. You know, the wider it gets, guys, the wider they go apart from each other, the bigger the bull run. Okay. So I'm looking at this MACD. And it looks very fucking bullish, dude. Right? This is crazy. The MACD looks super fucking bullish on the monthly chart, guys. It's incredible because they were going to come in, but they just expanded even wider, which means we can have more volume come in, okay, into the market, which is what that kind of means, if you ask me. And we're kind of waiting for more money to come into the market in this initial phase. You know, I don't know what it's going to be to start the pouring of the market. We could have some kind of event possibly, you know, to trigger that effect. But the charts say something's coming. Okay. The charts say something is coming. All right, the MACD looks insane. I've never seen a MACD, right, where we're at 100K Bitcoin, but the MACD is just split wide open, and it looks like we're about to go like rebirth, second run type shit. Okay, that's what I see with the MACD. With the MACD, the sheezy, easy. All right, anyway, let me close that pane. All right, let's bring the RSIs back up again. So, very interesting stuff here, right? So, what exactly happened right? The last bull run, when we created our second hump, when we came up, right, to create the second hump, how long did the hump last for, right? And what kind of gains did we see during the hump? So when the blue line crosses, right, that first day cross, boom, to the top, boom, boom. That is from so from the price there to here, September 20th to March 21st. So that's September, October, November, December, January, February, March. What's 6 months? Guys, 6 months. Okay? That is perfectly in line. Oh my God. So if we go 6 months from here, right? Let's say I want to clone that. We go forward to where we are now and we put it right at the point. Boom. Where does that take us? It takes us to June, which is right before July, which is kind of where I said I was going to just take out all my shit during July. You know what I mean? And guys, that would be that would be like peak market. You know, that would be peak market right there for Bitcoin. So that would be almost, you know, because right here, that's where the high was at 69K. Which is not that big of a difference, you know. Now let's see. Now we had the correction here. Sorry, I'm just thinking in my head because June, July. Dude, look at that trend line, bro. Can you see that massive fucking trend line that Bitcoin has been on? We are hugging the fuck. I'll tell you what, dude. I'll tell you what, bro. Like these sections right here where we're just like hugging, you know, and then we start to raise up a little bit and then we go for it, right? We're exactly hugging that thing. Can we have one of those generational Bitcoin pumps? I mean, it just looks like we're just in for it, dude. I mean, I'm a very, very big pattern guy. And when I look at this chart, dude, we're about to hit that next final phase of the Bitcoin run. And I just think we're just gonna go fucking nuts, dude. We have time. We have so much time, guys. We have so much time. Let me add this. We have so much fucking time. Well, we got 6 months. Okay. That's exactly how much time we have left. 6 months. Right. We're gonna just take our time right now and label everything. Right? So, because once we do that, we're gonna pretty much be able to pinpoint a lot of things. Right? And you can see what happens, right, in this final phase, right? The final phase, right? I want to show you, look, this is the initial up and this is the second wave down and then we go up, okay? Now, when we create that second wave down, right, there is a correction, right? But then we go up. We create that second wave down, but then we go parabolic, guys. Okay? Listen, we create that second wave going down, right? Where did we end up? Right here. Boom. Okay? We ended up right there on the line. This is the bull run. We go up. When we create that second wave going up, that's the final phase of the bull run, which will give you the huge commencing final run, okay? That's when we went to 69K. That's also when we went from fucking 500 to 16K, okay? So we make that initial dip, right? And then we go off on that run, guys. Dude, this is nuts. This is fucking nuts to me, bro. This is kind of fucking crazy if you really think about it. This is fucking nuts, dude. Because what the charts tell me is just fucking amazing shit. But I can't guarantee that to everybody. I really can't. But the charts are showing me some amazing, amazing things that I can't even fathom right now, to be honest with you. I don't know how to take it right now because what it's showing me is humongous, massive fucking gains, dude. Okay. It's showing me humongous, massive movement for Bitcoin, dude. I'm just trying to fathom this, just like you guys. Okay. Now I know we're not done with the cycle. Okay, we have about 200 and something days left of this cycle, the 550-day theory, which has commenced every generational Bitcoin halving. Okay, every bull run has the same cycle. Okay, doesn't necessarily show you the same RSI figures, but the time lengths are all the same. The uprises and the downfalls are all the same. The buy points and the bottom of the market, top of the markets are all the same. Okay. Timeline wise, we are heading to the fourth and final quadrant of this bull run. Okay. It started at 15K. All right. And now we're heading to that final run, dude. Man, and we're already at 94. You know, like, that's the thing that I'm trying to get in my head. Are we really gonna just blow the top off? You know what I mean? Because the charts say that we need to blow the top off. We're right on the brink of blowing the top off. Okay, because once Bitcoin enters that zone, right after the correction, and we enter that zone again, we blow the fucking lid off with exponential gains, dude. Okay? I don't care what breakdown you pick here, it's exponential. The fourth quarter, the final phase, right, of the bull run has always been exponential, and we are on the very doorsteps, right, of entering that fourth phase. Right here. We just tapped the door of the fourth phase. Take your pick. You can even pick right here. We'll go with timing. Fourth phase. Boom. Right there. Boom. Fourth phase. Boom. Right there. Look. The dip and boom. The fourth phase. Okay. Now what? Fourth phase. What kind of fourth phase are we gonna have? Oh my god. I don't know, guys. This is fucking nuts, dude. It's kind of too good to be true. Fuck. Fucking A. God damn it. I mean, what the fuck? It's kind of insane, if you ask me. It's kind of insane, if you ask me. You know, after... Now, here's what can happen, guys. You see how we did this flash crash from 8,000 all the way down to... From 9 all the way down to 3? Right? And once we did that, that was the bottom of the second wave. And we fucking dipped. Okay? When we made our second wave here, coming down, we went from 66 50. But it wasn't even that much of a fucking crash, to be honest with you. You know? Now, I don't want to say we're not going to crash, but we could have another dip. You know? A fake out dip. Went from 73, right, when we hit our top. Then we came all the way down to 50 or 49 damn near, right? But that wasn't the flash crash. See, there's always a flash crash. 284 to 166 here. The flash here was 9 to 3. We ain't really had a 65 to 49. Now that was okay, but we really recovered after that and fucking took off. Right. Man, when you look at this figure though, I don't know, man. I'm a figures guy, dude. I'm a figures guy. Okay? This fucking trend line, bro, since 2011 has never broke, right? This trend line has never broke. And how it goes before, right? If we were to look at this like, you know, we're back in 2011, right? We would draw, how would we look at this? We would be like, okay, boom, right? If we were in 2011 and we were looking at this, we would chart this like, okay, boom, we just did a double top, right? Here's our high. Oh shit, we just did a double top. Boom, boom, right? Here comes the second half of the RSI. We have massive gains from 95 to that, right? Then the RSI bottoms out. Boom. Then we have the bottom of the market. Right here, the bottom of the market. Okay? Bull run comes by. We reach all-time highs again. Okay? And then what? This is the final phase of the bull run. Boom, we go parabolic. Okay? And then what? The bull run dies off. The RSIs come down. Market falls. Right? 16K. All the way down to 3,000, right? RSI's turn on the bottom, buy price, time to buy, then we go up, okay? Then we make our bottom hump, okay? From there, we reached the last phase of that bull run, boom, we go up from 3,000 to 69K. Okay. Then we reach the end of that bull run. Okay. Prices drop from 69K. We go all the way down to the RSI, which brings us down to 31,000, right? Then we bump up. The blue line crosses over bullish activity, 31 straight to 69. That's the end of the phase, right? Then the Shemitah kicks in, down market for 1 year. The RSI's turn, bull run commences. at 15,000, right? We go up, we come down. We go up, we come down, right? We go to 31 and then we drop to 25. Then we go on a humongous run, right? To the all-time high, 73. Then we take a dip from 73 to 50. Okay? Now we turn around from there and we're about to hit the top of the RSI, the fourth and final phase of the bull run, okay? Right here in the fourth section where these huge, guys, huge, massive gains happen, bro. We're about to enter that zone. So what does that mean for everyone in crypto right now? Well, what it means that this is just a very possibility because it's happened 3 out of all the 3 times. And so far, everything before this phase 1, 2, 3 have played out perfectly. Just like every other bull run. And here comes phase 4. Now, will we even get over the hump? Or will we just correct and come down, right? And then go up 1 and then come down again. It could show us different things, right? It could very well show us different things. But when I look at this timeline, guys, and I look at the phases of Bitcoin and how it's always stayed true to the Bitcoin cycle, has never failed any generational patterns. If you ask me, this is why I'm here. This is why I'm here in crypto. This is why I even talk about this shit, is because you need to understand history always repeats itself. And we are about to witness history. Okay? Because once we get over here to these tops, we completely smash these wedges. Right? On those outer phases of the game. Okay? I just want to show you this. Here's the last phase. I think this is, significant here that everybody. Here's the other last phase from the top. And where are we now, guys? Where are we now? Where are we now? Now have I reached you? Have I got you now? Have I gotten you now? Do I have your attention? So, I just want to say, I'd like to thank my sponsor today, which is me. And, if you need a place to trade or you want to talk crypto, follow me on Twitter and join my Discord. Yeah, it's not free. It costs an arm and a leg. Right. But you shouldn't be worried, because these things happen, guys. And it's the beginning of December. Okay. This monthly candle, man, we're just, okay. We're just getting started here. We have not even watched. This final phase, guys, is gonna fucking blow the top off. You got me? Man, incredible. Incredible what we just did here is incredible. And how I have confidence in this is because we're just following what they left us. We're just following the script that they gave us, man. That's all we're doing, dude. That is all we're doing. We're just following the script that they gave us. That's it. That's it. Now, how far up we go, I don't know. You have to understand, right, that it gets smaller and smaller every time, okay? You have to understand these gains, right? The percentages get they average down every year. So we're not going to see a big parabolic movement like this, but you can see. So when I see that, I tie this into some other research I did with where we can land price-wise now with Bitcoin, right? And there's a lot of stuff, guys, that come into play. I did a whole research on ChatGPT. I had it help me figure out the average declination of percentage, which was 73%. We dropped the gains by 73%. But the profit gains always go up. Bitcoin price always goes higher, right? Beats its all-time high. But the percentages of the gains come down lower. Okay? So I want you, with that being said, right, let's go to where's my here we go. So the Bitcoin halving, okay? So back in the day in 2012, the profit percentage increase was 88,000%, okay, from that bull run. From the price of the Bitcoin halving day to the 550 days out, we had 88%, okay? The next bull run in 2016, we had a profit boost of 2,500. In 2020, 4 years ago, we rose up 600%. So I had Bitcoin do some calculations. I put an equation together and we found the average price percentage, the percentage decrease from previous cycles. Okay. So from 16 to 2020, from 2012 to 2016, it was a 70% decrease. We went from 88 to 2,500. The next 4 years, right? We went from 76% decrease of profit. So from 2,500, we went to 600%. Okay? So now, in 2024, if we used the average of those two, it'd be a 73% decrease, which would put us at a profit increase of 159%. Woo! Wow. Which would give us the price $159%. So 150% would put us at 107. You see that? 107, guys. And that's being conservative. That's just following the average. No, so now when we look at this, right, and we put ourselves at 107, that means we've reached the top already. I mean, we're very close to the top. Now, when I align that with the charts, does that make sense? No, it doesn't. It doesn't. It doesn't make sense to me. It actually doesn't make sense to me. Right? But to be honest, I can't see it doing that. Now, I want to do something right here visually. I'm going to do a little project. Let's see. Boom, let's draw a box here. Right? Boom, we have that box. And that box is kind of like a representation of our gap, of our profit. I would say half of this box would be fair, dude. I would say half of this box would be fair, dude. I would say half of this box would be fair. Holy shit. You know, because you got to recognize geometrically, we lose. You know, every generational thing, the gains for Bitcoin, you know, the price gets higher, but the gains get exponentially smaller, but we go higher in price. I love this shit, boy. I love this shit, boy. Own that bitch, boy. So almost 2 here. Right. Control drag. Right. Not quite 2 here. Right. You can see one box. And then, we keep losing space, right? We had space, we lose this space here. Now we have that one box. I would say we, go a third or even just half of this. I would split this box in half. You know what I mean? For the next. So if we did that, that would put us right there. And it would mean we're pretty much halfway. And that box takes us to 146K on Bitcoin. Man, 146 Bitcoin. And shit. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting stuff here. That would be phenomenal, guys. I mean, within these next couple months, I'm just saying, we're supposed to see exponential growth, okay? And I'm telling you, like, I don't even know if 146 is gonna be it. It's gonna be amazing to be a part of, guys. I mean, we got some shit to do. We got some shit to do, man. Because look, every time we break out of the all-time high, we fucking go, man. We break out of the all-time highs. Boom, we go. We break out of the all-time highs. Boom, we go. We haven't gone yet. We just started the boom. Now we're about to spread our wings and fly. Okay? We haven't created the descent. We definitely have all the gear on. We have all the fly equipment on, and we're just getting ready to blow off the top, bro. Yeah, we could have a correction, of course. We can have a lot of corrections on the way. Okay? 50% correction? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why fucking not? And then we're gone, dude. We could fucking fall back down to 70-something K, dude. And then head out of town. Scare the fuck out of everybody. You know what I'm saying? Why the fuck not? They did it. They've done it before. Why wouldn't they do it again? Why wouldn't they do it again? As we bring the RSI back and see moments in time where they've tried to fuck you literally right in your asshole right after you buy your crypto. They never tell you they're gonna do that. Just like how you porked your girlfriend in her butt that one time. You didn't tell her. It just happened. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful how these things happen right on the fourth and final phase of the Bitcoin halving bull runs, guys. Right? Look at that. Final phase of the Bitcoin halving bull run. boom, breakout, which is crazy because during the final fourth phase of the bull run, guess what happens? Huh? Guess what happens, you son of a bitch? Go ahead, guess. Guess. Well, in the fourth and final phase of the bull run, we always hit market all-time highs, guys. Do you notice that? Do you notice that? 2013 or 2000 whatever, 15 or 17 bull run. Look at that. Market highs in the fourth quarter of the bull run, where we're at right now. Boom, market. Look at that. Fourth quarter, fourth phase, bull run, and then bam. Okay? So we go to the next. Look at this. Look at this, you son of a bitch. Listen. Local top, right? Which was the all-time high before, but in the fourth phase of the bull run, we hit the market local high again. Not the local, the all-time, okay? And then poof, we're gone. So let's check back right here, guys. Let's check back. Oh man. Look at the timing of this. All-time highs right here. Fourth phase of the bull run. Where are we? Bam. All-time highs. And then what happens? Boom. Boom. Oh, man, dude. Boy, are we in for it. I mean, if you didn't get spooked, continue to grow your fucking balls. Okay, this is crypto. You know, sometimes it's just best to not look at your shit and just go about your business. You know, sometimes it's the way to go. Now, this phase, these next 6 months, guys, are going to be incredible. 4, 5. 2. That was a whole year. That was crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Almost a whole year there too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. June, July. May, June, July, man, we are going to be reaching pretty much market tops, if you ask me. May, June, July. Oh, fuck. And from there, you know, you just got to really start thinking about wrapping it up. You know what I mean? That's pretty much it, guys. You know, just trying to bring you some confidence, some reassurance in this market, and more so educate you about how important the cycles are. So knowing that, now let's go to the total 3. Let's take a look at the total 3, see what it's doing right now. Now the total 3 is about to go crazy. Altcoin season is going to go ballistic. We still have time with altcoins. We still have time. Oh man. Fuck, dude. Alright. Altcoins looks nuts. Is there different total threes or is it all just one? Okay, total three. Alright, it's just one chart. Look at that floor. Which is also the point of control. Yeah, we're not done, dude. We're not done with altcoins. In fact, you better stack your altcoins now because I think it's about to get nasty. I think we're about to get really fucking nasty with it, guys. We're about to get very fucking nasty with all of it. We're about to get fucking nasty, dude. I'm just you know what? I need to smoke a bowl, motherfuckers. We've been going ham, and listen, I got some more dope shit to show y'all. Yeah. Holy shit. Okay. So I already see something. So just like the Bitcoin, the TVL gets bigger, but the actual profit percentages get smaller. Right? So what that means is we go up in this chart because TVL means we go up in this chart. Gains mean these boxes get smaller. Okay? So what we do just like what we did with Bitcoin, these are your averages right here, your percentage TVL averages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a box with our last one. Let's create the box. Let's commence the theories. Because the theories, well, you see, the theories, they stand correct through the testament of time. The theories. I'm Batman. I'm Batman. I'm Batman. Now's the time to buy altcoins. I'm just saying right now. Now is the time to buy some altcoins. Okay. So. Now's the time to buy altcoins. Okay, so on this one, I'm gonna make that one yellow. No, green. Okay, perfect. Alright, perfect. Perfect. So now, we could see here, right, the percentages that we're losing. Every bull run, right? Every bull run, we lose a little. We go up in TVL and profit, but every time we earn profit, we lose a percentage, just like the Bitcoin halvings, right? So we lose this percentage right here, this zone. This goddamn piece of shit. This little zone right here. That's what we're losing to create this section of profit, okay? So we made that boost there, percentage gains. Now this, right? It gets smaller. So just to play it safe, you know what I mean? Let's just like the other one we did, we'll go half. And that's being conservative, right? And what that would mean for us is another $1 trillion coming into our market in the altcoins, right? Cause I'm following market trends. I'm following the trend here. Because every time we hit the bull run, what do altcoins do? And this is why the bull run is special, because it's the only time where the data persists, right? It's the only time where the data, you can actually go off the data. I don't just fucking say shit because, oh yeah, I want to fucking talk and hear myself talk. No. I'm saying it because it's magnificent to me. Because it's the only time where the data all correlates and does some fucking shit together. Okay? That's why it's so fun to talk about, because it's a fucking goddamn anomaly. It's a fucking, the stars aligning. You know what I mean? It's some special shit. Okay? You know? Let me pull out, dude, I fucking hate this little tool chart. Like, this motherfucker. Where the fuck are you? So it likes doing this shit. Where it reaches the top, boom. And you have your gains. Right? We just reached the top. Right? And we're coming to this point of this edge. And we're also going up on the monthly RSI. And if we come up there and we come to this point, we're definitely going up. I'm sorry. And we're kind of doing the same phase. And we're in the fourth, I think, initial phase, right? Same with the altcoins, you know? Look at, look at the blue. You see that blue line? You see this blue line right here? I think we're about to do the do. You finger down me? I think we're about to do the do. Oh my god. Let me get a sip of water. It's good to do. It's good to do. Now that was a hell of a pump. November altcoin. Right? Right when this phase started. Look at that. Boom. Dude, altcoin season is about to commence. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's go. Here we go. Alright. And we're at the corner of a wedge. Or yeah, that's the thing though. This bounce was huge. That bounce was huge. That fucking bounce right there was that monthly bounce. I'm telling you, was the difference of altcoin season being extended. Absolutely. No doubt. No fucking doubt, dude. That fucking November altcoin month just saved the day. Because without that bounce, wow. I mean, and look how it bounced directly on the universal trend line of the century. The altcoin trend line of the century. Not bad. I like where everything is at. It tells me, while everything's red right now, we're going in the right way. Pepe's going in the right way. Everything's going in the right way, dude. Macro. Look at that head and shoulders, dude. Matic took a hit. Quick took a hit. Yeah, a lot of people can't take it. A lot of people can't take it. You just gotta look away. I mean, you just gotta look away. It's a lot to deal with, probably. Just don't pay attention to it. Ooh, look at Trumpy. So knowing this, you're looking at altcoins. You're like, oh shit, and then we go to the total 3. taps its head. That's what I need. Where the RSI's at? Stochastic. I need the stochastic. Who the fuck is paging me at 5:46 in the morning? Crack it down and now I'm yawning. Wipe the tears from my eye. Who's this paging me and why? It's my nigga Doc from the barbershop. Just in the gambling spot. Intricate thought. $47 billion. That's exactly what the chart is saying. Where we have the resistance, we reach the double top. It is the top of the oversold RSI as well on the weekly, and it turned over. So we could see a correctional type of week this week. At least for altcoins. But for me, the altcoin narrative for me is we still have a ways to go, man. I want to compare this with that one chart. Can we add the Bitcoin? It's 3 years. Three years and then kabloomy. 3 years exactly from the all-time high, and then kabloomy. Holy fuck. I'm not saying that's it, but God blink. It's a 3-year period from all-time high to all-time high. An exact 3-year period from all-time high to all-time high. Last time we hit the 3-year period, we hit the all-time high and we went and gained more liquidity for a nice rally of shit from March 21 for a whole year. So now, again, from the top 3 years to 3 years, we just came to the 3-year point. Now, we're waiting for some more. Altcoin season, I think, another whole year maybe of altcoins. Well, at its peak. So from this February 21st, let me go back to the Bitcoin chart now. It's very, very important. February 21st. Month to month. Bitcoin chart. Yep. February 21st. Until the market ended. The total 3. April 17th. December 2020. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Altcoin season's right in sequence. Holy shit. Could you look at Gary Network? Oh, my bad. Altcoin season is not over. All right, Gary Busey. Well, this is what I said would happen to Gary. Right? Showing signs of weakness. You know, they're probably going to come down. And you're hoping to bounce at that level right there. Right? So yeah, last time I probably told you Gary was gonna come up, hit its head here, come down, bounce here, and it's gotta go above, right? Bounce on this. This needs to turn into support. Right? This was already showing signs of weakness all week. So the market gave out, so did Gary, along with everyone else. And now, you know, people want to do this. Right? So what needs to happen is Gary needs to really come down here and bounce. He needs to bounce. Otherwise, Gary well, the beautiful thing is we're just forming an inverted head and shoulders. You know, you got your shoulder here, you got a head here, you got a shoulder here. You know, you got your Batman structure. I mean, this is supposed to be Gary's bottom right there. You know what I mean? Whoever the fuck Gary is, that is supposed to be Gary's bottom. You know, and he has a chance to come here and he needs to show and turn this into resistance. I mean support. That's Gary's deal. Unless we're doing a massive head and shoulders. And then Gary breaks out. Right? There's two scenarios. Two scenarios for Gary. Those are actually really good. Alrighty. I will send you the link, my friend. My friend.